Let's learn how to create a survey with Google Forms. Let's begin. Sign in to your Google account. A Google account is needed to use Google Forms. Access Google Forms by typing Google Forms on the search bar. When you reach the home page, click Google Forms for personal use. Once inside, you will see a gallery of survey templates. Go ahead and click them to get ideas. You may use templates to quickly create a survey. For now, I will show you how to create a survey from scratch. Click Blank Survey. Give your form a name. The first few questions should be about the basic information of the respondents. I'll ask the respondents to type their names first. Next to the question is a drop-down box that will show you different response types. I will leave it as short answer. This requires the respondent to type a short answer. You can require the question to be answered before the respondent can proceed with the survey. Just slide this button. Otherwise, the respondent can skip the question. I will not require the respondent to give their name since many may wish to be anonymous. Click the plus sign to add a question. For this, I will use a multiple choice question. Beneath the question, you can give answer options. Click option 1 and type an option. Add another option. Click on the grayed out add option below and then type. This time, I want to know their employment and relationship status. I will still use the multiple choice question. I want to add a section to my survey. I can do this by clicking this symbol, similar to the equal sign. This divides the survey, placing a set of questions on a different page. Adding a section is great if you want to group questions that are related. For this question, I will use the checkbox from the drop-down. Now for my last option, I will click on Add Other, the one highlighted in blue. The checkbox option allows the respondent to have more than one answer. For the next question, I will use a drop-down. A drop-down is the same as multiple choice, wherein the respondent can only choose one answer. This can be used for choices that can be arranged from smallest to biggest or highest to lowest. Finally, I will ask a question requiring the use of a linear scale or a rating scale. The linear scale is used for getting the degree or magnitude of how people think about something. I will use a 5-point rating scale. The choices ranging from 1 being the least intense to 5 being the most intense. Type the description of the choices with the questions to guide the respondents. This is my last question. When you are done, go back to the top and click the I button to get a preview of your survey form. Here is the checkbox survey question. This is the drop-down survey question. Another checkbox question, and then the 5-point linear scale question, also called the rating scale or the Likert scale. Below is a progress bar and the submit button. Now it's time to distribute your survey to your target population. Click the send button at the top. You can send it through email by clicking the envelope icon. Or you can get the link and share it to your target respondents. Only those with a Google account can answer. There's a checkbox if you want to collect the email address of your respondents. You can also get the HTML code of your form and embed it on your website. Click the gear icon to go to settings. In the General tab, you have a checkbox. If you want to collect the email of respondents, you can limit the responses, and you can allow responses to change their answers after submission and see the summary charts. In the Presentation tab, you can show the Enable and Disable progress bar. You can shuffle the order of questions or show a link to add another survey response. You may type a confirmation message below. You don't need the Quizzes tab at the moment. That ends today's lesson. Kindly visit our Google Classroom to access the classwork. If you have any questions, just type it in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.